Well, hi, I'm Yvette.
And I'm Tom.
And we're from Ireland. We got started in book trades about a year ago, October 2017. And we had done a lot of online business previous to that, 10 years or so, and never made a success of it. No matter how much we worked at it, just couldn't get it working.
Yeah, we put a lot of effort and a lot of energy into it. And over the 10 years, been doing different businesses.
Yep.
So then, like Yvette said, we came across the email and just took it from there. Then last October, got really stuck into it, and it's been quite a journey since. It's been brilliant.
Yeah.
Pretty amazing.
It's been the game changer we were looking for. I mean, a lot of programs promise a lot of things, but they way over deliver. And like that, we had spent thousands and thousands of euro on programs, and that just didn't work. Either we couldn't get them to work, or they didn't have the support that was there. And this is completely different. It's our own business.
Yeah. We're in control of what way we want to take our business, which is fantastic.
Yep.
And like Yvette is saying, the support we've gotten with Book Arbitrage has just been unbelievable.
Yeah.
Like any of the other courses that we went, that we tried to do online, there's been very little support, or it was kind of you have to go and kind of figure it all out yourself. But this has just blown us away. The amount of support we're getting from even the Facebook group is it's amazing.
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing.
It's world-class support, and it is the difference between this and other programs. And we've made more money in the last year than we did in the previous 10 years combined. It has changed our lives. It's changed our families' lives. They're now involved in it too. And we're in charge of our financial destiny for the first time of our lives. And it's very exciting because we're only a year into it, and we can see where we're going, and it's already changed our lives.
Yeah, looking back in the last year, like we've seen how far we've come already. Oh my God, it's amazing. Yeah,
it has exceeded our expectations, and it's very rare you get to say that. And it's very difficult when you can't make ends meet financially. It just affects your whole life. And now that's changed for us, and that's why we're very passionate about it, because anybody can do this. You don't need to have many skills at all. If you can buy something online, you can do this business. That's what's so exciting about it. And the entry level, it's very little money to get into it, and then you just put your own money in bit by bit, and it snowballs, and it's an avalanche that's happening.
Yeah, the money we've been making, we've rolled it back in over the last year, and it's ramping up all the time. It's brilliant.
Yeah, it's real world money. It's real money. Yeah. Well, I would 100% endorse this to anybody if you want to change your life. You'll never get rich working for other people, and this is your own business. You're in charge of your own life, and the big thing for us is to travel, so we can do this anywhere in the world. And I nearly died last year, and we made the commitment. Once that happened, I realised that Tom wouldn't be financially free had I died. And that's why I was like, we're going to do something about this. I mean, we thought we had tried before, but this is something, you can't fail at it if you do it. It's certain wealth. We never had that with any other business.
No.
We were hoping, we were praying, we were crossing our fingers, we were getting further and further into debt. This is the game changer that you're looking for. It sounds too good to be true, but it isn't. It is the thing that will change your life.
Absolutely.
It's changed ours.
Yeah.
And it's a sobering thing to realise that your family aren't set up if you do die. And it was unexpected for us to have that event.
Yeah.
And it was for Tom, but it's also the legacy going forward. We have a big family at home that we want to make sure that they can be in charge of their lives, their financial lives too. Because when you take care of money, then you're free to be who you are, and then you can live your best life. And I mean, it's extraordinary. It has changed our lives. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Well, it's a dream come true, and it's very simple. You don't need many skills at all to get going. I think that's because a lot of it can be intimidating, can't it?
Yeah, but like you're saying, if you're able to buy a book on Amazon, you can do this no problem. It's just so easy.
Yeah, no special skills required, and your dreams will come true.
Yeah, and it's a simple system.
Yep.
And Luke and John, go back through the training and watch the videos, and it just walks you through all the steps. Yeah. That's how easy it is.
Yeah.
It's brilliant.
Yeah, it is. And it's also the journey. I mean, everybody says it's so cliche, but it's true. Like, we're having so much fun making money. We never knew making money could be fun. And no, that wasn't what we grew up with.
No.
And also the people that we've met, and we genuinely all help each other. There's people ahead of the game in us, and they're pulling us up, and now we're helping other people come behind us.
Yeah, it's about giving back as well, which is another aspect to it, which is brilliant. You know, you see you're helping people and you see them growing as well, you know.
Yeah, teach what you need to learn and all of that. It's extraordinary. And if you're looking for a community of cheerleaders, people who will actually help you, who'll show up every day to help you, then this is it. And the world-class support. I mean, I've said it to John and Luke before, who the guys who started this. If it's the equivalent of having Henry Ford teaching you how to sell cars, having them with us, and they show up live every week, twice a week, to answer all our questions, no matter how silly they are. And that's what's different about this, is you cannot fail if you just follow the steps.
Absolutely.